Deloitte Internship 2025, Data Science and Manual Testing. Deloitte is offering exciting internship opportunities for freshers in Bangalore under the Digital Excellence Center. These internships provide hands-on experience in data science and manual testing, equipping candidates with industry-relevant skills. Intern, Data Science. As a data science intern, you will work with large datasets to extract meaningful insights, develop machine learning models, and perform exploratory data analysis. Collaborate with teams to deploy AI-driven solutions. Have an edge if you possess knowledge of generative AI. Eligibility: B.E.B.T.Ec B.Sc in a relevant field. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Experience with statistical modeling, machine learning, and NLP. Intern, manual testing. As a manual testing intern, you will assist in testing and debugging software applications, write and execute test cases while ensuring software quality, collaborate with developers to resolve bugs. Eligibility: B.E.B.T. Ec B.Sc, or pursuing a degree in computer science or related fields. Basic understanding of software testing methodologies, strong attention to detail, and problem-solving skills. Deloitte fosters a collaborative and innovative work environment, encouraging interns to develop their technical expertise while making a meaningful impact. Apply now and kickstart your career with Deloitte Internship 2025. Blast off!